Hi, welcome to Drive with Care. It is the continuing story or journey of my Derbyshire adventures. I'm going to take us from Matlock to Matlock Bath, only because I can. I'm not actually going to Matlock Bath, but it's kind of en route, so just do a little bit of matlocking. Matlocking, steep hill. Imagine having to live here and walk up this hill. You would be fit. Let's cut through a couple of these little roads. What I want to do is actually start at the far end of Matlock and come through, cross over the River Derwent, and then through the other section of Matlock Bath, which is on the other side where the station is, and head down into Matlock Bath. Should be a nice little run, 5-10 minutes, allowing for traffic. Not clear to left. There's a car coming down. Don't forget to take a look at the playlist if you're catching my Derbyshire Drive adventures halfway through. You know, you're on the fourth one and you think, oh, did he do any others? Well, I did. I think we can turn right here. Following my nose. Steep turnpike. And it is steep, look at this. Keep it low gear, folks. Check out the motorcyclists. Sounds like Harleys or Hondas. Oh yeah, look at that sky and the hills. Entering a 20 zone. It's still a little drizzly, but the sun is out. This is your typical English summer, isn't it? Hot and sunny, but still raining. Anyone would think you were in Scotland. Not being disparaging against the Scots, mind you. It's a beautiful, beautiful country. Need to go left across the bridge. It a better journey. The RAV didn't indicate. I don't think it indicated. If it didn't, it got a raspberry from me. I haven't been doing them for a long time, have I? People who don't indicate. Oh, they've been doing some bridge strengthening here, look. Well, they've closed that road. That's why. That was the road that used to go to Sainsbury's. And I was thinking of going that road. Good thing I didn't. So this is the other part of Matlock. It's very quaint. Looks almost Bavarian with those spires. Are they called spires? The rooftops that point up. I might be going senile. Jacket potato shop, Spuddies. My nickname at school was Spud. Something to do with Tudor crisps and Smith's crisps. Spud has a nice ring to it. I used to watch Cat Weasel when I was a kid, and In Series 1 it was Carrot, wasn't it? With the blonde, ginger hair, his name was Carrot. And I always wanted to have a nickname like that. And then one day I got a Spud. 40 mile an hour zone. You get all sorts of anecdotes with me on my Drive with Care channel. Tune in, not only for driving, but for anecdotes. Look at that mountain range. Call it a mountain. It's high. Lovely. 40 mile an hour zone with speed cameras. Gosh, I can actually see the raindrops. It's like, you know, when you're driving in snow, the way the sun is shining on the rain. And look at that mountain. Isn't that amazing? I think people scale that. The abseilers and all that stuff. Someone tooting their horn. Not at me though. Still a 40. We've all dropped to 30 now. Isn't that the weirdest rain? There's the cable car. Did you see it going up? It would have been nice had I driven here and they were just right above us. That goes up to the heights of Abraham. Last time I did that, I think it was like £12 for the cable car. And I hated every minute. And it stopped in the middle and the wind was blowing and I was in it all by myself. I was like, was I seeing my life flash before my eyes? That cable snaps, so you're dropping like a, I don't know, a brick. And into Matlock Bath. That was quite easy, wasn't it? Quite a bit of congestion. This has a feel, Matlock Bath, because obviously it was a spa town and they haven't got the baths, so you could dip yourself. But it has a feel of a seaside town, you know, like Scarborough or Great Yarmouth or somewhere like that. And I think it's because you've got ice cream parlours, fish and chip shops, amusement arcades all the way down on the right. I'm coming in here this evening to do some night photography with trail lights and stuff, so yeah, that's one of the reasons I'm up here. Pedestrians all over the place, some crossing, some waiting to cross. Go on then. Rather let them cross than make them have an attempt and then get knocked over. Amusement arcades. Look at these lovely little buildings. They look like sea shanties, don't they? You can imagine it being a port or something. The River Derwent on the left. South Parade. Pedestrians. And that is it. I'm going to go into the car park to conclude the video. Allowing for pedestrians. And I think, folks, that is it. That was Matlock to Matlock Bath. That was quite quick, wasn't it? One more to do, I think. Or maybe not. I don't know. Can't remember. So thanks for watching and bearing with, and I'll see you in another video. Bye for now. Drive with care.